A little bit of a disclaimer. I don't know what I'm doing. I know how to paint wheels and I know how to paint and do all that, but it's not my thing. I've tried it. It's not my thing. I can turn bolts, I can do all that shit, but painting, sanding, wet sanding, nah. No, I should just pay someone, but where's the fun in that? So let's go. Let's do something.
Hey yo, Vex, this one sound cold.
I don't want to do like a crazy paint job or anything. I see time over everything. So yeah, it's like my way of saying I give a fuck, but I don't. So that's the last of the stuff I'm going to paint up here. The rest of the car I'm going to tape up and paint in the shed. I could take the wings off, I could take the doors off, but no thanks. So I'll let these sit here to dry. I hope the bonnet ain't streaky. I think it is, but I can't tell if I'm just looking at wet and dry. I'm not sure. We'll see. Looks good. Actually shiny. Kind of fucking cool, to be honest.
Hey yo, Vex, this one sound cold.
There we have it. The red sexy Lexus. Yeah, I like it. Happy with it. Is it the best? No. Do I care? No. Am I happy I did it myself and I spent no money basically? Yes. But I'm just some dude who's broke, trying to make things work. So hopefully at least one or two dudes out there will be inspired to make some mistakes, fuck up their car, but at least they'll learn something. This is like the 4th or 5th time I've done this, and every time I get a little bit better. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Might be doing some skids soon. Stick around for that, and yeah.